And one thing about Karen Zulu, she is living life like her man is not working in the crooked places. She is living life like her man is not funding many berries more than NSFAS is funding students. Yeah, Kareni, General Kwanazi is in the building, Sana. He is sniffing out all the wrong ones. But no, when hayi chicken, hayi beef. Ngiyanamukela kumqobo yami bomtaba kadadi, bomtaba kagogo, bomtaba ka-auntie, bomtaba kasisi. I am Sims and it's at the right Sims on Instagram, so please follow your sister. Don't forget that I also promote businesses and YouTube channels. Mtsware Kamukhala Titi. Yeah, now you've learned. Hi, guys. I think Matthew Lani, who is a doctor, engineer, pastor, ballerina, dermatologist, part-time astronaut, and world-renowned pilot in Mzumbe. Matthew Lani's skincare range, the one that we were in such shock and disbelief that he thinks that we think that this thing is real. Yeah.
And I'm going to show you my before pictures before I started using Lani's skincare. So this is how my skin looks like right now, no filter. And this is how my skin used to look like. This is how my skin used to look like. Ugh, I don't want to be emotional. Yeah, so you guys can see I really had bad dark spots, hyperpigmentation. Guys, it was bad. It was bad. Mara, you know what? Lani skincare, guys.
The skin range that works in less than an hour to remove marking pen from your face. Yeah? The AI generated skincare line. Guess what? So Matthew is saying that you guys were so interested that you guys were DMing him. You guys were asking him in the comment section, where can they purchase these products?
Hey guys, Matthew here, the founder and CEO of Lani Skincare. So a lot of you guys have been DMing me in the comment sections wanting to know where you can buy Lani Skincare. You can exclusively purchase it on ChatGPT.
He says that you can order them on ChatGPT. I think at this point he's trolling us. At this point he's trolling us because there's no way. ChatGPT. Yeah, we are order. Yeah, deliver. Only Matthew. Sana, only Matthew. I think when they wrote the book of Matthew, they had exactly his, because there is, what do you know what? I can't even finish my sentences because I'm in disbelief. Yeah. And believe. Yeah. Before we carry on with this video, we've got the stunning Nontobeko. I had to force Nontobeko to come here with a video because she wants to promote her YouTube channel. And she's like, what if management doesn't come? What if management doesn't see my personality? And I'm like, Nontobeko, switch the camera on and give management a chance because, Sana, once they come to your channel, and you could believe it. So yeah, go over to Nondobego's channel, subscribe to her. Was on Nondobego.
Hi management, I hope you guys are good. I hope you guys are okay. My name is Notobe Nkosi uMadlamini uHlubulo Muhlumlange into emhlophe qwa nani niyazibonela. So please my loves, go and subscribe on my YouTube channel. My channel is all about vlogs. You know, that simple life that you and me live. Please do go and subscribe. I'll also be adding a little bit of makeup tutorials once I mastered it. So as you guys can see, I'm clocking it in, right? And also I'll be doing some get ready with me here and there. So please do go and subscribe and support your girl. And please also do watch my previous videos because the goal is to monetize my channel. So please guys, thank you so much. Love you guys a lot. Thank you.
Hi Nina, did you see that reel? Yabo Karen Zulu and the Hoshkari mamas. Yeah, the women that whack at whack. The mosque bangers of the men who are allegedly reaping all the rewards of your tax. Oh, Sana, these girls are living lavish. They are living savage. They are opening champagne bottles that I can't even pronounce. They are going to places that I only watch on Travel Channel. They are in the sky, they are on the ground, they are in the water, they are everywhere but God. They are everywhere but not under the jail. Okay? I feel like Edwin Sodi has escaped the justice system so much that they don't think that he will ever account. Mm-mm. Mm-mm. But do you know which girl that I am not seeing in the pictures and the videos? That one of Morgan Maumela's girlfriend, Jordan. You know, ever since the hit was on Cyril Ramaphosa's alleged and estranged yeah, because Cyril won't even name him, he's even denying him. So he shall remain unrelated but related because how he's related most to Andy. So anyway, weighty hungata, and I, not that I'm jealous, but I'm worried about our tax. Therefore, I cannot wait for the day all of this happens to Edwin Sodi and he is called to account. Him and the you need and so for gang, those ones are Sportnet and Transnet accounts. I just can't wait for all the corruption to be uncovered so that people can account and take responsibility. And if it means they must pay for their sins, they have to, guys. No, imali yethu le, impilo yethu le, yeah. Yazi mina sengicrave ne-Ultraman mara ngi-afford. Have you seen the price of Pringles? Romani creams? And then people are just living lavishly. Ngemali ne-tax. Oh, I cannot condone. Sorry guys. Asoz angfuni angvumi. And a special shout out to Shemza. Shemza, we saw what you did for Chima Music, okay? He donated 92,000 Rand to the back a body for Chima Music after his accident. Chima Music is a DJ, and unfortunately, he was involved in a very tragic car accident that resulted in DJ Poison losing his life. Chima Music survived, and he is trying to like get back, obviously, into the routine of life, and medically, financially, he is drained. So they started a backup buddy campaign, and Shimza donated about 92,000 rands to that campaign. And Sizwe Dlomo, but engine English, I would say bought him a CDJ and DJ equipment. Man, Chima, like uzoba right. I know you lost a friend, and your health like is showing you fire right now. Mara beg anje. Uti uyabuya gaming. We cannot wait to see you at gigs, but he'll be right. Ubuye gaming, right? Let's talk in the comment section down below. He's not loud.